Hey guys! Now we're making a video. I gonna teach him how the basic waray. He gonna learn it. Say maupay
Bye.
na gabi.
Gabi.
Maupay. Say maupay
Bye.
na
Na.
aga.
Aga.
Say the maupay na aga is good morning. Say maupay na aga.
Bye and gata.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Maupay na gabi.
Bye and gabi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Maupay na udto.
Bye.
Udto
Utu.
means good afternoon.
Afternoon. Mama yan. Nagituwag
Say waray bugas.
Ryan gas.
Waray bugas. Don't touch it. Say waray bugas.
Ryan patas.
No rice.
No rice.
Yep. Rice is
Rice.
life. Okay.
Banana.
Banana is saging.
Second.
Banana is saging.
Why?
I don't know, but it's saging. Apple is mansanas.
Why?
Say man sanas.
Mansanas. Mansanas.
Grapes are
Grapes.
ubas.
Ubas?
Mhm.
What ubas?
Say ubas.
Ubas?
Mm-hmm.
What ubas?
Grapes. What is ubas? It's a grapes. Say tanom. Tanom.
Num.
It's a plant.
Huh? What
Say
that?
tubig
Too big.
is a
It's a
water.
water.
Yeah, tubig. Say
Water.
tubig.
Too big.
Tubig. See, caldero
Tanglina.
means a pan.
Pan? What pan?
The one that mama cooking.
Oh.
Oh.
Chicken?
Chicken is manok.
Manok. What manok?
Manok. Say manok. Don't do that.
Orange. Orange manok.
Orange manok. How the manok get orange? What else? I forgot already my dialect. What else? Kalayo.
Lion.
Say kalayo.
Lion.
Means a fire.
Fire. What fire?
A kalayo. Say kalayo.
What fire and lion?
Yeah, a fire. Say bulad.
Blood.
Bulad is a dried fish.
That's my favorite dry fish.
Really? Oh, guys, you gonna love the next video. He gonna eat a dried fish. That's his favorite. We're gonna make a video that he's eating a dried fish.
They?
Not today, but
Why?
we're gonna make a video that you're gonna eat the dried fish, right? Now we are learning the basic waray. What else we gonna say? This is lamisa. Say lamisa.
La misa.
Say it.
La misa.
Lamisa. It's a table.
What table?
Lamisa is a table.
What misa?
Lamisa is a
What?
table.
What la misa?
This is lamisa.
What misa? and
Lingkuran.
table?
You know what? Say lingkuran.
Lingkuran.
Louder.
Lingkuran.
Lingkuran. It's a chair.
Chair. I'm sit on chair.
Lingkuran.
There.
That's lingkuran.
That way.
What is that? Lingkuran.
Thing. Good.
Lingkuran.
What's
Uh,
that?
What else we gonna say? Suga. Si suga.
Look.
What is suga? You know, say suga.
Suka.
It's a light.
Light.
Yeah.
That light.
Yeah, that's lights. It's a suga.
Suka.
Say lamparilla.
Lampy.
Look at there. Say lamparilla.
Lampy.
Parilla. It's a lamp.
Lamp. What's the lamp?
It's a lamp.
What's the
Lamparilla.
lamp?
Ah, is it lamp? I don't even know. Lamparilla.
What? Lamparilla.
Lamparilla.
What's that word?
Ah, I'm not really sure. I don't really sure what is that word. Lamparilla. What else? Say tubig.
Tupi.
Tubig is a
Water.
water. Good
I'm
job.
going to drink the water.
You're gonna drink a tubig? What is this? This is a buhok. What is this?
Buhok. My hair.
My hair is a buhok. Say buhok.
Buhok.
This is ilong.
Ring.
Say ilong.
Ilong. What's that nose?
In Waray, irong. Say irong.
Mm.
Say irong.
Ilong.
Tignan mo, napakalikot talaga nito. Hindi mapuyo. Ano? Tawag ani? You say irong.
Ilong.
Irong is
Nose.
nose. Baba
Papa.
is
Bow.
mouth. Talinga
What ears? An itchy ear.
is a talinga.
Itchy ear.
He's being silly. Why you are scratching your talinga?
My ear.
What is this?
Ear.
Say
Ta.
linga.
Linga.
Talinga.
Talinga.
Okay. And this is mata.
Mata.
What is mata?
Nose.
This is mata. What is that?
No. My eye and nose and mouth.
Kiray. What is kiray? Say kiray.
Kirai.
Kiray. What is this?
I don't know. Kirai.
Kiray is eyebrow.
Eyebrow. No, 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 no.
Yes, it is. Kiray.
No, 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 no.
Say bye-bye, guys. Say bye, guys. See you next vlog.
No, no,
Thank
no.
you for watching.
Grip.